Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, share and comment. प्रीवियस क्लास रे आमे जोठु छाड़िलु सेठिरु आमे सॉरी आज आमे स्टार्ट करिवा इंटरनेशनल ईयर रु स्टार्ट करिवा 2001 in 2001 is observed as International Year of Women Empowerment. Next, 2002 observed as International Year of Mountain. 2003 observed as International Year of Freshwater, Rice, Physics and Sports. 2004 observed as International Year of Rice. 2005 International Year of observed Microcredit and Physics. 2006 observed International Year of Desert and Desertification. Next, 2007 observed International Year of Polar Years WMO. 2008 observed International Year of Sanitation, Language, Potato and Planet Earth. 2009 observed International Year of Astronomy UN, Neutral Fiber FAO and Reconciliation. 2010 observed International Year of Biodiversity, Culture and Youth. Next, 2011 observed International Year of Forest and Youth. Next, 2012 observed International Year of Cooperative and Mathematics. Next, 2013 is observed International Year of Water Corporation. 2014 is observed as International Year of Family Farming and Crystallography. Next, 2015 is observed as International Year of Light and Soils. 2016 is observed as International Year of Pulses. 2017 is observed as International Year of Tourism and Development. Next, 2019 observed International Year of Indigenous Language Moderation, Periodic Tables and Chemical Element. 2020 observed as International Year of Planet Health. 2022 observed as International Year of Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture. Next, 2024 is observed as International Year of Camelids. Next, United Nations. The intergovernmental organization to promote international cooperation है in United Nations. United Nations Day celebrate on 24th October. United Nations established year 1945. Next, UNO was found at San Francisco, California, USA. What is the present number of United Nations? 193. India become a member of आपण मानको होमवर्क एबे केतेटी मेंबर अछि नाउ करेंटली होमवर्क India become a member United Nations in 1945. Next, how many principal bodies of United Nations? Right answer is 6. General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeships Council, International Court of Justice and Secretariat. Headquarters of General Assembly is situated at New York, USA. Headquarters of Security Council is situated at New York, USA. Next, number of permanent member United Security Council is 5. Next, the 5 permanent member United Nations Security Council है China, France, Russia, UK and USA. United Security Council UN consists of 5 permanent members and 10 non-permanent members. General Assembly केते ईयर ए 10 जन नियुक्ति 2 वर्ष पई ए 10 जन नियुक्ति हेइथांती। नेक्स्ट हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एंड सोशल काउंसिल सिचुएटेड एट न्यूयॉर्क यूएसए। नेक्स्ट द हेडक्वार्टर ट्रस्टीशिप काउंसिल सिचुएटेड एट न्यूयॉर्क यूएस। हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस एट हेग नेदरलैंड। टोटल नंबर ऑफ जज ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस है 15। इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस एस्टैब्लिश्ड द ईयर 1945। नेक्स्ट SAARC was founded in Dhaka in 1985. The headquarters of International Labour Organization or ILO Geneva 1919 रहला। Headquarters of World Health Organization WHO is situated in Geneva 1948. Next headquarters of United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO is situated at Paris 1946. Headquarters of International Atomic Energy IAEA situated at Vienna 1957. Headquarters of United Nations International Children Agency Fund UNICEF situated in New York 1945. Next headquarters of International Monetary Fund IMF is situated at Washington DC 1967. Headquarters of United Nations Population Fund Activity UNFPA situated at New York 1967. Headquarters of United Nations Industrial Development Organization UNIDO situated at Vienna 1966. Next headquarters of United Nations Environmental Program UNEP situated at Nairobi in 1972. Next headquarters of Food and Agriculture Organization FAO situated in Rome 1945 रे established ହେଇଥିଲା। Headquarters of World Trade Organization WHO is situated in Geneva 1995 रे established ହେଇଥିଲା। Headquarters of United Nations Development Program UNDP situated in New York 1965 रे established ହେଇଥିଲା। Next headquarters of International Bank of Reconstruction and Development IBRD situated at Washington DC 1946 रे established ହେଇଥିଲା। Headquarters of International Development Association IDA is situated at Washington DC 1960 रे established ହେଇଥିଲା। Headquarters of International Telecommunication Union ITU situated at Geneva 1945 रे established ହେଇଥିଲା। Next headquarters of Universal Postal Union UPU is situated at Bern, Switzerland 1874 रे established ହେଇଥିଲା। Headquarters of International Civil Aviation Organization ICAO situated at Montreal, Canada established ହେଇଥିଲା 1947 ରେ। ଆଜିର ସିରିଜଟା ଆମେ ଏଥିରେ ରଖିବା। ନେକ୍ସଟ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ଆମେ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗେମ୍ସଟା ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସୋ ମଚ୍।